You don't need to run in haste. Slowly you can try to see, try to hear, try to observe, and then you do. Look, how many bows you put right? I will show you. Like Alankara, you put that many bows. Because this is Ragam, not Alankara.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് അമ്മ, സാറ് വായിച്ച് മനസ്സിലായില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒന്നുകൂടെ വായിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് നിർത്തിയിട്ട് വായിച്ചാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. ഡോണ്ട് റൺ ഓർ എനിത്തിങ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇഫ് യു ഡിഡ്ന്റ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് യു ജസ്റ്റ് ഹിയർ ഇറ്റ് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ടൈംസ്. ഓക്കെ. പോകുന്നു. മനസ്സിലാവണ വരെ. ഗുഡ്.
What we need to do is try to understand. We are trying to play the ragam with melody. No harsh sound, no rough bow, smooth bow, mellow down, and play smoothly. Okay, that's what we need to do. Smoothness, huh? Okay. Prakala Nilavarti.
വേറെ പാട്ടല്ലേ?
If you do too much like this, the gamaka will not be good. And also, if you don't press the finger, you have to press the finger very good. I didn't do all that.
കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് സാറ് കേൾക്കട്ടെ. സാറ് കഴിഞ്ഞ് നിർത്തി ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നീ ചെയ്താൽ മതി.
You are still doing like this.
അല്ലമ്മ ചെറുത്.
It's not there. What to do without gamukam? Same thing. Instead of knee finger, don't need to do all that. You know?
അങ്ങനെയല്ല, നമ്മൾ ചെറുതായി കൊടുക്കണം. ആദ്യം തൊട്ട് ഇതിപ്പോൾ പഠനം തന്നെ സാറിന് ഒരു വശം കൂടെ ശരിക്കും വായിച്ച് കേൾപ്പിക്കും കേട്ടമ്മ.
should avoid using only index finger. Unless you go up, index finger is only used for da. Unless you go up beyond the. Okay? Sarasanisan is like this.
sir. I'm recording, sir.
Irka?
Yeah, I'm recording, sir. Now I'm recording. Yeah.
Hey, ma pa mama. Like what do you do now? You did that one. Where is that? Sonaraga Sudha. The same thing. Okay.
ഒന്നുകൂടെ വായിക്കും മറ്റൊരു വായിക്കും സാരി സാരി കാല ഒന്നുകൂടെ വായിച്ചു ഒന്നുകൂടെ വായിക്കും സാർ
Look here. You have to look here. Okay, ma'am. You have to look also this. How many times I am doing like this? How many times I am not doing like that also? Huh? That is what focusing. You have the video, so watch that. Huh?
ഓക്കെ സാർ
I didn't do all that. Tanubhuche Vardana not come like Tukalama. Malasona Devadidi. Okay, man. Overall, you played good, but see, why do you have to rush, you know?
Rush is, sir.
Then you get that.
Sir, I know, like, yeah, sir, I'll correct his gamagams, sir. Like, he's giving more gamagams as some of the places. I have to correct it, sir. I will watch the recording.
Yeah.
And correct
And
it.
also, if you give that kind of gamakam, you need to press the finger very, very hard.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, that gamakam, see, then it's, if you press. I press so that, you know, here if you see, that impression will be there, full see black. So, you have to press very hard. Then that gamakam can be given. If you don't press that hard. In general, unless it is needed, we don't use that gamakam much. Okay, ma? But it's okay, good, you played. Are you practicing with that guy? Kadambari?
Kadambari.
Yes. Only on weekends
Okay.
though.
Good.
Only on weekends though. And
Okay,
sometimes on
and one
Monday.
last weekend, is it 2 days back? When did you practice?
We played Abogi together.
Abagi Varnam?
Abogi Varnam, yes.
And then that's all or anything?
Sir, it's a kind of a plan, sir. Like in Abogi Varnam, I put some Haragara Priya, Datu Vershai, like, you know, Sarali Vershai in Haragara Priya, and most of the Haragara Priya's Janyam Ragams, put some Datu Vershai, Dhruvathalam, and a little bit Abogi Varnam also.
Good.
So it's a combination of things, sir. So yeah. So then for each Varnam, we are giving that, like, you know, for example, if it is a Saveri Varnam, I'm putting all Mayamalagola Janya Ragas in the Dhruvadalams, like, you know, some other Ragams also, you know, some, you know, like, you know, Lalita.
Okay.
Lalita, the Dhatu, like Dhruvadalam in Lalita, those kind of things. Can you?
That's good. So you can. And also you need to practice this one. That in different ragas.
Okay, sir.
And same thing up to from here, from Sa. Also that you need to practice that. Okay, ma? Then you can. And see that you don't rush. There is no need to rush. Okay? You can relax and slowly play. And happily you can play. Okay?
Sir,
there are some places where you need to do some kind of high speed songs. Okay? Suppose you need to play. These things you can do fast. So these songs you can play fast. You can play very slow also. That's it. Whereas Prakala Nirvana Datta is between slow and medium speed. Okay, ma'am? Ramanand Bro, they're all like that. Not too slow, but a little faster than slow. So
Sir, so one of the thing which Vishnu sir, Vishnu thinks that when he learned a particular kruti, his job is finished. And actually he's when we try to do some variation, he's kind of little bit worried. Okay, I already learned it, but why I should do something different? Like that, he's asking sir. So when Pakala he thinks that he learned everything, but when we have some gamagam changes, he's having some mood swings.
So see, in India, our Carnatic music in particular is Manodharma Sangeetam. So many things within that, how I should say, Sadi Gama is Gari Sadi Gama, you can do that one. That's improvisation. Sadi Gama, you can do that one. You can include some of this, that things, that your mind thinks this also looks good. And Tyagaraja has given that room for us to do that. Okay? So, Tyagaraja's Krutis is traditionally being sung, but slow variations will always, that's why, teacher to teacher, or even, see, violinists, different violinists, the same Kruti, they play different, they sing different. Different means not totally. Within that circle only, they do certain things. Okay? That circle instead of smooth curve, they may do little like this, little very like this, and then so somewhere they can just go a little higher and then come to the circle. So this is allowed in Carnatic music. These days, some people they that's all they will do. Same thing, but little variation. So all this is there. And also, even when we teach, especially when you go to advanced level around that, some additional things suddenly come. That all you should remember and try to include as many as possible. Okay, ma'am? So on. But, and also, see, like that you should be able to play. Okay? So, up to here, you can do Sari Gama Pada Nisa Sari Gama in Kararpriya. Same thing in Maya Malagoda. Same thing in Kalyani. Okay? So, like that, up to Mela Sadmo. Like that, up to there, you need to practice different ragas. That way, you conquer the violin. And also, you slowly develop the gamakam up even in upper octave. So instead of going, see, there is little gamakam. Instead of playing. So all these things slowly you need to, you yourself can try all these things. Playing, okay, very flat notes, then little gamakam. Same thing in slow tempo and same thing in fast tempo. So this is how you practice Amma. Huh? You are doing good job. But I don't want you to too much to do like this. Okay? Then is okay. You don't need to do. I didn't do so much of all that, but so much is there in that subtle gum. So sometimes you may not use to, like there is okay, hello. It does not mean for everything same principle. Okay, ma? So you almost got Prakara Nalabadi. But see, online the only problem is, I need to put the talam and it should adi. I think online, by the time you receive the signal, there's slight variations will be there.
Yes, sir.
So that's only the problem. Hello? Appa illiyanga?
Irukku sir.
So that's the kill.
Yes, sir, but
hopefully I think by July, I think everything would come
okay,
to
sir.
normal and control. I think so.
Yes, sir.
Because they are actively giving all vaccines and all that.
Did you take it, sir, or you are eligible now?
Everybody is eligible. You are not under 16.
Oh,
Just
okay.
above 16.
Okay,
16.
okay. Under 16, sir?
Yeah, I registered, Sujay registered, and we asked the committee to register. I don't know when he would register.
Oh,
But he is able to, yeah.
okay, sir. Okay.
Anybody above 16 are eligible.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will also register. I didn't know about that.
Yeah. Your missus should do it.
Okay, sir. Okay,
It's
yeah.
okay, they are still too young to have.
Sure, yeah.
Both need to.
Yeah. Is it first come, first served, sir? Or
And,
first come, sir, first served, right, sir?
I don't know how they do. Some people say two ways of doing. One is, yes, first they may go to someone above 80 or something like that.
Okay.
Okay. Then they may come 75 to 80, then 72, 75 and 80, within that range. Then they will come 65 to 70, within that range, 60, then 50 to 60, then 50 below. But sometimes they need not be exactly like that. Suppose you have registered earlier, okay? Then you may be taken before even some older than you person, So it is not exactly, there is all combinations, but generally they go by age.
Okay, sir.
And also registration seniority.
Okay, sir.
So registration, you have to register,
Mm-hmm.
then maybe Woodbridge, it may come faster, I think, unlike in Fairfax. Fairfax is too crowded.
Okay, yes, sir.
And that's a very big Fairfax.
So, when I checked in my county, sir, it says in future, not now. That's what it says.
So I don't know what this. But some people are doing their registering in different areas.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That also is there.
Okay, sir.
So anyhow, it's better to have it,
Yes, sir.
and hopefully by July, if it is controlled, then see, because my first batch, they are all low professionals.
Okay, okay.
Okay, like Sahana, Vishesh, Samapriya, Somnath,
Yes, sir.
some people are there. The next batch is there. They are also, the next batch, like, Vishnu, that around that level, there are about 3-4 students.
Okay, sir.
And Puneet is, of course, another, is a Kannada boy, Kannada.
Puneet,
From-
yes, sir.
Puneet. That boy is like Bhargav.
Oh.
So you need to teach one, he will come with 2.
Okay.
That's oh boy, you cannot believe that. And also any big Kruti, just learn on the spot.
You told me, sir. Yeah.
Whatever gamakam, whatever speed, whatever you do, he will do it.
Yes, sir.
Any octave.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you told me, sir. Yeah. Just,
That boy